Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see how to add comments in Python. So first we will see what is use of comments. So use of comments is to add any note in your code. So for example, whenever you are learning something and when you have notebook, so if you find any topic important, so at that time you note down that in your notebook. In the same way, if you want to add any note in your code, so you can add that using comment. And next use is to skip execution of code. So if you don't want to run any code, you can comment out that code. And comments are ignored by Python interpreter, so these are not getting executed. Then how to give comment in Python? You have to use hash symbol to give comment. So whichever line you want to comment out, so that line should start with hash. There is no concept of multi-line comments in Python. Each line you have to start with hash which you want to comment out. So there is no concept of multi-line comments in Python. So in C, JavaScript we have concept of multi-line comments, but in Python we don't have concept of multi-line comments. So we will see practically how to give comments. Now here I will write some statements. Print hello world. Here I am defining one function def print name, and here I am printing ram, right? So now this is my function, right? And I need to call this function print name. So we are going to see in detail how to define function and all that. So here we will see concept of comments only. So now I have saved this file and now I will run this. Now it is showing hello world and ram. So now I want to add here one comment. So now here I want to add like this is function for printing name. So now here I have written this comment. So how it is starting? It is starting with hash, right? So this is function for printing name. So you can give comment inside this function also. Control X, and here also you can give. So if I run this code, so now it is still giving me output. I have told you, so comments are ignored by interpreter, so these are not getting executed. So here I will add one more comment here. Print function user, right? So now this one more comment I have added here, right? So in this way you can use comments. So these are starting with hash. And one more use of comment is if you don't want to run any code. So for example, I don't want to run this function, so I don't want to call this function, so I will comment out this function call, right? So now I have commented out. I will save this and I will run this code. So now it is giving me only hello world. So we have seen two uses of comments, so to add any note and if you don't want to run any code, right? So in this way we have seen this. So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.